Want to take a video?
Yeah. So first you start with it was a big rain.
Story time with Reb HERSHEL.
They had politicians, the Hernahin. The Rebbe didn't want to go out. They said, why did you mixing politicians here? That the Simcha from the Shimbari Chai, the Simcha that the Rebbe the Shver was involved and very, very powerful. What mean politicians? Okay, I've communicated how did the host of the Rebbe. Rebbe, the forecast is very bad. They say it will be pouring rain. So the Rebbe tells him, we postpone the rain for tomorrow.
Wow.
Okay, good. Baruch Hashem.
Baruch Hashem.
Kach habe, it was raining all over New York, till Fulton Street. I know the others about till Fulton Street, everybody said it was coming home in the buckets. Here was a little overcast with no rain, no big winds, no rain, nothing.
Wow.
Okay? Baruch Hashem, it's time for tomorrow.
So how did that guy get the nickname Horse?
I don't know. How did the horse? He's a politician. So,
Politicians are horses?
I don't know. So, it was raining very badly.
What is the story?
Wait for the story.
What?
Wait for the story. The next day,
Oh, it's still going? The story continues?
about that,
Oh.
they were told that. And the next day it started to pour all over.
Whoa.
Heavy, all over New York. Tzadik Goyzer Kashbar Chumekayim.
Wow.
The Rebbe said, we postponed it for tomorrow. So in Krahaim was postponed.
Wow. Crazy story.
It's a famous story. Probably you could see it on the videos from Uncle Yossi.